Good evening guys! For today's vlog, so ayan, nagluto ko pala ako dyan ng adobong chicken guys. So natiisipan ko pala talaga dyan guys maglagay ng broccoli guys. So ayan, and then nilagyan ko yan ng tidbits na pineapple guys. So ayan, para naman masarap yung ulam namin ni husband for today's vlog guys. So ayan, so timplahan ko na yan dyan guys. And siyempre hindi mawala ang ating pampalasang oyster sauce guys. Ayan. So natimplahan ko na yan siya guys, and pinagpakulo ko lang yan para maluto yung ating broccoli guys. Thank you so much for watching. So si husband ko pala dyan is naglalaba, ako na ay nagluluto guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and papalo na lang po ng aking FB page. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you everyone, and thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta and subscriber ko dyan. God bless you all.